What is Haritaki? Technically the fruit of the deciduous myrobalan plum tree, Haritaki is considered an important herb in Ayurveda and Siddha medicine, both forms of indigenous medicine in India. The fruit itself is small, oblong, and less than an inch in size. Can Haritaki be taken daily? Taking Harad powder, mixed with water, 2 times a day helps boost the immune system by reducing cell damage due to its antioxidant and immunomodulatory activities. Applying Harad powder along with coconut oil in the form of paste is used to heal wounds due to its astringent property. When should I take Haritaki? Haritaki should be used before meals. You can take gandharva Haritaki Churna or tabs. Churna 1 tablespoon for pitta prakruti. If it is taken in the morning time and between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., it will give you good results. How do you eat Haritaki? Take 1/4 teaspoon of Haritaki powder with 1 cup of warm water. Drink as a tea once or twice daily, or as directed by your healthcare practitioner. Please consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, or nursing, or on medication, or have a medical condition. Is Haritaki good for heart? The herb has antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, anti-arthritic, and cardioprotective properties. Haritaki helps purify blood, making heart muscles stronger. This further helps in stopping the buildup of fat in the artery. All this ensures a reduction in blood pressure and a stronger heart.